the North Dakota State College of Science is a two-year public college in Wahpeton, in the U.S. state of North Dakota and part of the North Dakota University System. Founded in 1903 by provision of the state constitution, the State College of Science offers degrees, certificates and diplomas in more than 80 academic options in traditional career and technical studies as well as the liberal arts. The college also offers a variety of distance education and online courses. Approximately 98% of graduates are employed or pursuing additional college education. Unlike most two-year colleges, NDSCS in Wahpeton boasts a university atmosphere for its students, complete with residence halls, 35 affiliated clubs and organizations, music groups, theater productions, intercollegiate athletics, intramural athletics and numerous social activities. History: 1903, NDSCS was provided for in the Constitution of the State of North Dakota and began actual operation, making it one of the oldest public two-year colleges in the United States. 1905, the Arts and Science Division was the first division to be organized, and the Business Division began operation shortly after. 1922, the first trade and technical programs were offered, and since that time, NDSCS has become widely accepted by employers from across the United States. Since 1922, NDSCS has followed the basic principles of the Babcock Plan and the North Dakota Plan. The original plan of 4 interacting curriculum divisions was the result of a survey conducted in 1921 by Dean Earl J. Babcock of the School of Mines of the University of North Dakota. In 1922, the North Dakota State College of Science was named the Central Trade and Technical Institution for the state of North Dakota. Under the North Dakota Plan, all trade technical training in the state for many years was centralized in this institution, a method which proved very satisfactory in a state with sparse population and where agriculture continues to be the primary industry. Since 1922, when these plans became operative, the North Dakota State College of Science has provided practical, hands-on education for thousands of students who, upon graduation, became available to meet business, professional, and industrial needs. 1987, North Dakota State School of Science changed its name to North Dakota State College of Science, and converted from the quarter system to the semester system in 1992 as part of a North Dakota University System initiative. 1997, NDSCS established the Skills and Technology Training Center as a regional workforce training center located in Fargo. 2002, the North Dakota State Board of Higher Education officially recognizes NDSCS as a Centennial College. 2005, NDSCS expands welding technology program to Fargo site. NDSCS kicks off the Center for Nanoscience Technology in Fargo. 2007, a $1.5 million renovation begins on the Earl Skip Ute Alumni Stadium and Frank Burton Field. 2008, NDSCS and West Fargo Public Schools join together to offer the early college program, allowing 11th and 12th grade students to take college classes and earn credit toward an associate degree while in high school. 2009, Wilbur A. Lunday, an NDSCS alumnus, and his wife Betty, both deceased, donate more than $1 million to the college. 2010, in July, a $5.7 million renovation of Horton Hall was completed. The building, originally constructed in 1927 for $65,000, is LEED certified. Campus: the main campus of the North Dakota State College of Science is located in Wahpeton, ND. A second site, referred to as NDSCS Fargo, is located on 19th Avenue North in Fargo, North Dakota. Main campus: the main campus sits on 128 acres of land and consists of 35 campus buildings. Nestled in the heart of Wahpeton, the campus is located by 8th Avenue to the south and 4th Street to the east. Old Main: the centerpiece of the NDSCS campus for generations, has been listed on the National Register of Historic Places since 1984. Designed by architect John M. Cogshead, Old Main was built in 1891 as the original home of Red River Valley University. The North Dakota Academy of Science opened in the building unregistered trademark S West Wing in 1903. Old Main sits on the north side of the main oval, where many campus activities take place. NDSCS Fargo NDSCS Fargo is a growing campus of North Dakota State College of Science. Located in the Skills and Technology Training Center on 19th Avenue North in Fargo, NDSCS Fargo serves as the home to academic programming and non-credit training. Academics: NDSCS offers academic options in the following career clusters: agriculture, food and natural resources, architecture and construction, business, management and administration, finance, education and training, health science, hospitality and tourism, human services, information technology, law, public safety, corrections and security, manufacturing, marketing, sales and services, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, transportation. College organization: the institution is state-assisted and is organized to provide for statewide comprehensive education and training programs of fewer than 4 years. The North Dakota State College of Science is organized to support academic affairs, administrative business affairs and student support services. Major curriculum divisions are the Arts, Science and Business Division and the Technologies and Services Division. The Arts, Science and Business Division offers courses and programs in liberal arts, pre-professional and general education for transfer to bachelor's degree granting colleges and universities. The ASB Division also offers highly regarded programs in agriculture, allied health, business, computer information systems and other related careers which prepare students for immediate employment. The Technologies and Services Division provides learning experiences through theory, laboratory and shop curriculum practices in various fields of training. Students are provided technical and trade competencies, as well as preparation for life in this increasingly technological age. While credit is recorded for these courses, they are not intended for transfer. However, should students, upon completion of trade or technical programs, desire to pursue additional training at other colleges, they may have their transcripts evaluated by those colleges and universities. The College Outreach Division is responsible for courses and programs provided through TrainND, Related Study, and NDSCS Fargo at the Skills and Technology Training Center. The primary purpose of college outreach is to ensure that the services of NDSCS are made available to individuals, businesses and other groups who have educational or training needs that typically cannot be met through regular instructional schedule or course offerings. The Extended Learning Division's mission is to provide students with access to information through technology. This division includes distance education, instructional technology and the Mildred Johnson Library. Athletics: the North Dakota State College of Sciences sports teams are known as the Wildcats. The NDSCS Wildcats are members of the National Junior College Athletic Association. NDSCS's intercollegiate teams include women's basketball, men's basketball, volleyball, softball, football. Fight song: Go Nuts Axgo is the North Dakota State College of Science fight song. The song was written by former student Roland Chestney in 1929. Notable alumni: Rick Berg, Republican former U.S. Representative for North Dakota's at-large congressional district; Randy Beining, Republican member of the North Dakota House of Representatives; James Ayers, former American basketball player; James Kuzman, Republican former member of the North Dakota House of Representatives; Kim Koppelman, Republican member of the North Dakota House of Representatives; Paul Marquardt, DFL member of the Minnesota House of Representatives; Donald Grant Nutter, 15th Governor of Montana; Tim Podden, 18th U.S. Attorney for the District of North Dakota; Creighton Leland Robertson, 9th Bishop of the Episcopal Diocese of South Dakota; Gilmore Schledal, businessman and inventor; Andre Smith, professional basketball player for the Korean Basketball League's Incheon Electroland Elephants; Russell T. Thane, Republican former member of the North Dakota State Senate; Scott Matthew, NDSSS 1987's Southwestern University, former professional basketball player Winnipeg Thunder WBL. Municipal Judge Texas. References. External links: NDSCS official website, NDSCS Athletics website, NDSCS Alumni Foundation website, NDSCS bookstore. http://www.statesman.com. From Hoop Dreams to Helping Young Offenders.